Guys, so today I'm gonna show you a website that pay you to play games. First of all, go and hit the subscribe and like button. So our website name is ySense. The link in description, you can go and sign up from there. You can easily play these games and on rewards, you can see you can earn up to $6, $7, and $4, and even $97 in iOS devices. So you can also complete surveys. As you can see, this is simple survey profile. After completing it, you can also do other highly paid surveys. You can easily earn money. You can also download app in your mobile and app store will give you different offers. You can redeem your money in Skrill, AirDM, Amazon, Peony, and in different cards. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.